Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amjad Ali Academy. Today I am explaining basics in that circle, what is the exact definition of circle and what are the points we have to cover in this circle. See, circle is nothing but generally circle definition is what? From a fixed point with a fixed distance, from a fixed point with a fixed distance, if you join all the points, it forms the circle. Here one thing is important, here fixed point and the distance is fixed. With that, now we can draw a circle. Fixed point is called center here. Okay, say here this fixed point, whatever is there here, that is called center. The fixed point here, the point here I am indicating with the letter O. The point I am indicating with the letter O. Fixed point here we call in mathematical terminology, that is called center. Now I said this fixed distance from where to where? Center to any point on the circumference, that is called boundary. From center to, if we join from center to any point on the circle, this distance is known as radius. That distance is known as radius. Radius means what? Once again, a distance from center to any point on the circle. See, circle is nothing but it is the combination of points. It is completely the combination of points. So in circle, all the radiuses are equal. Wherever you can take, that radiuses are equal. Now see this, from here the boundary is here boundary. In mathematical terminology, this complete boundary, to complete boundary is called here circumference. It is called circumference. Now one more, here we are going to discuss about chord. What is meant by chord? Chord is nothing but a line segment joining two points on the circle. What? Suppose here one point P is there, imagine, and here one point Q is there, imagine. A line segment which joins 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Where are the points? These points are on the circumference, on the circle. See, the point P is on the circle and the point Q is on the circle. I joined a line segment which joins 2 points on the circle. सर्कल के ऊपर जो 2 पॉइंट्स है, ऊपर ये 2 पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन सेगमेंट को व्हाट वी कॉल कर्ड. सो हियर वी हैव नंबर ऑफ कट्स. दिस इज आल्सो कर्ड, दिस इज आल्सो कर्ड एंड दिस इज आल्सो कर्ड. And moreover, this is also a curd. Suppose A point and this is B point. But it has some different name, that a line segment, a curd which passes through the center. A curd which passes through the center is called diameter. One of the important point. A curd, this is also curd, this is also curd, this is also curd. But this curd has some special name. Why? Because this is the AB is a curd. Curd is nothing but a line segment joining 2 points A and B. Here a line segment which joins A and B 2 points, that is called curd. But specifically here some special name given, that a curd which passes through the center of the circle. A curd which passes through the center of the circle is known as diameter. Diameter is nothing but, see here, as earlier I said that O and A is radius, O and B it is also a radius. Complete this AB is called diameter. In this diameter, here see, here we have 2 radiuses, so that's why one diameter is equal, we can find that diameter is equal to 2 into radius, means double of the radius. Radius को double करे तो कौन आते? That is diameter. That is called diameter. So a fixed point is called center, and this complete boundary of the circle is known as circumference. What is a radius? Radius is nothing but a distance from center to any point on the circle. Any point on the circle. From center to a distance from center to any point on the circle is known as radius. OD is the radius and OC also radius. OA also radius. OB also radius. Next chord. A line segment joining 2 points on the circle. Here, look at here. C and D. C and D are the 2 points on the circle. Which I joined these 2 points with a line segment. This is called chord. But this chord is particularly this CD chord is passing through the center. So that's why here CD is called diameter. See here we have so many chords, but we don't call these chords are diameter. Which chords are called diameter? A chord which is passes through the center. Suppose here Q is there, imagine, and R. QR. It is, see, this QR is a chord but passing through the center. So this QR is called a diameter. One more, you can take PS. We can draw so many diameters. PS, which joins 2 points on the circle, that is called chord. But this chord is passing through the center, so that's why that is called diameter. Diameter is nothing but a chord which is passes through the center of the circle is known as the chord. Okay. See, let me clearly explain all the things which are important. You should know basics, these things about the circle. Circle, how can we draw the circle? If we know the radius, we can draw the circle. Easily we can draw the circle. The center, middle point of the circle, this point O is called, fixed point O is called center of the circle. Okay. Circumference is nothing but this complete boundary of the circle is known as a circumference of the circle. Next, radius. Radius is nothing but a distance from center to any point on the circle. From center to any point on the circle. That is known as radius. Next, chord. Chord is nothing but joining 2 points. A line segment which joins 2 points on the circle. These all are chords. But a chords which are passes through the center, that chords are known as diameter. So, children, complete watch this topic and like my videos, share and comment. Thank you.